If your Waterdrop G3 under sink shows a E04 error code with buzzer sounds, it's a serious concern and should be addressed immediately. A 04 error indicates that the booster pump is starting and stopping too frequently. Here are two main reasons why it occurs and how to fix it. Pressure imbalance inside the system. The booster pump can cycle on and off because of too many appliances connected to your undersink RO, like refrigerator or dishwasher. To fix this, disconnect your fridge or dishwasher from the system and see if the E04 error gets fixed. If yes, use a Waterdrop small water pressure tank from now on to keep using filtered water in the fridge and other appliances. You'll find links to buy the pressure tank in the description below. Also check if the incoming water pressure from the well or municipality is adequate and not fluctuating. Another main reason for E04 error is kinked or blocked tubing. Even a small bend, crimp, or internal blockage in the water lines can restrict flow to the Waterdrop under sink, triggering the E04 error. Also, if the inlet valve is clogged, partially closed, or not functioning properly, the system won't get a consistent water supply. To fix it, turn off the power to the unit. Then remove the inlet tube by taking off the locking clip and pressing down the collet. Briefly turn the water supply back on to confirm a steady flow, then shut it off again. Now, inspect all tubing. Straighten any kinks, bends, or crimps. Also check for blockages. Look inside the inlet valve and tubing for debris or buildup that could restrict water flow. After that, inspect for leaks inside the unit. Even small leaks can trigger a safety shutdown. Fix any leaks before continuing. Once everything is clear, power the system back on and check if the E04 error is gone. If nothing works as said earlier, run through these basic checks before contacting the Waterdrop support. The filters are not due for replacement and are installed correctly. You need to change the pre-filter every 6 months, carbon post-filter every 12 months, and RO membrane every 2 years. The Waterdrop G3 system should not be used on raw well water or water high in sediment, hardness, or iron without proper pre-filters. If you've any questions, tell me in the comments below. And for another useful video on fixing fluctuating well water pressure, check out this video next.